Let's make fabric flowers. Anyone? Okay, so for this tutorial and this style of fabric flower, we're making it in circles. Okay, so you want to determine the width or the circumference of the flowers. For this, I decided to make use of my elastic holder. So I'm okay with the circumference I got. You can make use of anything that can give you a perfectly round circles. Okay, so after marking them out, just go ahead and trace out what you've marked and cut out your circles as many as you want. All right, so once I'm done, this is what I achieved. Let's go ahead and make them. So now to start working on it, you just need to fold your circle into two to achieve a semicircle. Then just create a loose stitch starting from the point where you see me starting from. Once you get to the middle point, that's where you'll be overlapping a new semicircle on the one you're making a loose stitch on. Like you can see now, I stopped at the middle point. Okay, so you want to fold it like you see again as a semicircle, overlap it on the one you were running your loose stitch on, then just continue again like you see. So this process is what we're going to use to achieve as many fabric flower that you want. Okay, so once you get to the middle, just overlap it like you see. So this is the third one now. I'm going to be overlapping the fourth one on it. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be stopping on this fourth one. Now, assuming you are stopping at the fourth one as well, you overlap the last one and the first one together. Okay, I think I made an extra one before completing it. So just overlap it. Once you get to the last one, overlap the first and the last one like you see with each other. Make sure it's on the middle point of each other. Okay, the starting point of, so you just continue like that and just continue running your loose stitch as many as you want, as many you want to achieve. You can make it 10, you can make it 5, you can make it 4, you can make it 3. Determine, it depends on what you want to achieve. So once you're done now, all you need to do now is just to just drag the thread, okay, to make the loose stitch become more firmer and more smaller. So the more you drag the thread holding the loose stitch, the more it keeps forming shape. So you just use your hand to make sure that the gathering is even on the fabric, so that you don't have one side thicker and the other side maybe loose. You want to ensure that your gathering is even on all sides. So you can see what I'm doing. Just use your hand to make it lay flat. If you want it to have the standing position structure, you can as well. So now this is what the 5 petals gave me. So now I've gone ahead to make as many as I wanted, and I'll be overlapping it. I'm making, I achieved the flower you can see with 3 layers. All right, so I'll tuck the first one into the second one. That's the smallest of the 3 fabric flower into the smaller one. And I'll be taking the smaller one and I'll be tucking it into the big one like you see. So that's just all you need to do. Once you've done that first step of making it a loose stitch and gathering it the way you want, just place it. You can just stitch this down, or you can use your hot glue gum and hold it in place. I think I'll prefer the hot glue gum, so that, because stitching it takes more time. Okay, it takes more time, but whatever rocks your boat, whatever you are comfortable with, just do that. Okay, so I just stitch them together, and this is what it looks like once I was done. Can you see how beautiful it is? Although the pink one over there was achieved in a different one, I'll be doing a tutorial on that as well. But this process was what I used to achieve the white one and the burgundy you can see. So it's so easy to do. You should try it. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly like, subscribe, share it with others, and also turn on post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you, and see you on the next one.